making yogurt today. We've added the milk. You push the yogurt button until it says boil. Then it will cook about an hour, and then you're ready for the next step. Okay, so my milk is warm. I've kind of jimmy-rigged this little setup to use my meat thermometer to measure the temperature. We want it to be 185. It's only at 160. So we're going to press the saute button and let it cook for a bit. Okay guys, so this last step to saute up to 185 degrees does not take as long as I thought. I left for a little bit, came back, it was overflowing. Gonna get this cleaned up and start over. So here I have my milk. It reached 185 degrees and now it's cooling to get back down to 110, and at that point then we'll add the yogurt starter. Okay, so my milk had reached 110 degrees. It did cool down to that. And then I added in my yogurt starter, which is, I use a Greek yogurt, just a plain one, no flavorings. Just add in a 1/4 cup of that, stir it up good, and then put on the lid, and then you'll just push yogurt again. And you want to do the amount of hours, so for 8 hours. Okay, it's time to add our sweetener. I'm just using sugar. You could do honey or a artificial sweetener if you wanted. And here's the vanilla, 2 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla, and then we'll stir it up. It's ready to eat.